Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is CyberDoc. Today we are going to learn about known internationally developed for level machine that is Metasploitable. During this video we will learn about the various methods to download the vulnerable machine and step-by-step process. Installation of METASPLOITABLE-2 on VirtualBox. To know this, you will have to watch this video till end. If you not have subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button for latest video. This is go to your favorite web browser, type Metasploitable-2 download. So there are multiple ways to download the Metasploitable. To show out of them, I prefer there are some of website. One is sourceforge.net. So click on the first link. So here you can see one link is there. Once you click it, it will direct you to portable page where you can download it. So you can have to provide some of the information. Once you fill it and submit it, it will redirect you to download button. So you can download from that page. I have to extract that is on this inside files, so double click, it will start expanding it. So I have already installed in the VirtualBox. Once again I am going to install for you guys. So VirtualBox already I have installed, so I am open VirtualBox. So this is the VirtualBox where we will be in common pen testing. So Metasploitable is an internationally vulnerable Linux virtual machine which is widely used for security training, test security tools, and practice common pen testing techniques. The VM can be run on any of the virtualization platform like VMware and VirtualBox. The most important thing here to note is never expose your Metasploitable or vulnerable machine directly to internet. Always keep your machine behind the net or either host only mode. So we'll start installation of Metasploitable machine. Click on the new type of the name, select the destination path where you want to store all the files. Select the type is Linux and the version open 264. I'll modify this RAM requirement is 5 and 2 MB. It's sufficient. Here click use an existing virtual hard disk. So click on this icon, go to add, select the file which have v.exe. We have unzip the file, open, select the create. So our Metasploitable machine is ready to boot. Click on start before restarting. Just check the network configuration. So here network, either you can select NAT or you can select NAT network or host only adapter. I have selected here NAT network. Click OK. Start is booting. Okay, wait for some time. Still it's boot up. Okay. If you want to learn how to install Kali Linux VirtualBox, please pause the video available and description of the video where I have described how to install Kali Linux on VirtualBox. Here's my machine. So my default username and password is msfadmin. I have logged in, check the IP of the machine. IP is 10.0.2.10. Open the terminal, check whether machine is in the same network configuration or not. Its IP is 10.0.2.5, the same network. Check whether I am able to ping the metric protocol machine able to reach my text protocol machine. Now I want to check what are the ports are open for Metasploitable machine. So I will use open source and map tool which can scan all the available ports of Metasploitable machine, type and map. Simply specify the IP address, so it will tell us the top ports, those are open in Metasploitable machine. So these are the non ports and top ports, those are open in Metasploitable for this video. That's enough. And if you have liked our video, hit thumbs up, share and comment. If you have any questions, please write up in the question section. Thank you.